Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for March 5th. We are looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down, did create an inside bar. We are looking for it to potentially break to the upside, possibly going up to 82.00 and finding resistance there, possibly moving lower and hitting support around 81.05. Now the Euro-USD pair created a new low during this last session but closed higher. We are looking for this pair to potentially go up to 132.75 and hit some resistance, possibly moving down and hitting support around 131.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged to the downside, made a new low, pulled up, closed higher. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 159.75, possibly as low as 157.17. Look for some resistance around 159.05. and look for some support around 157.75. Now the US Swiss pair, this pair closed lower. We are looking for this pair to potentially go up and hit resistance around 0.9175, possibly moving lower and hitting support around 0.9075. Okay, now as far as news announcements go, we have during tomorrow's session, we have the Eurozone releasing their gross domestic product at 5 a.m. Eastern for the fourth quarter. Consensus on that one is that it has moved, actually held at negative 0.3%. Now a little bit later in the day at about 7:30 p.m. Eastern, we have the Australian gross domestic product being released for the fourth quarter. That's showing a decrease from 1.0% down to 0.7%. Year to date showing a decrease from 2.5% down to 2.3%. Okay, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you go to the US Japanese yen pair, this pair did create an inside bar. I am looking for it to move to the upside. If you go to the weekly time frame and zoom out a little bit, a decent amount actually, you'll be able to see kind of where we have potential movement to the upside. Pretty strong area of resistance right there for these 2 weeks. Basically looking for a surge of about 30 pips to the upside, looking to go long around 81.85, 86 or so, and then looking for it to surge to the upside up to 82.22. It's about 35 pips or so, and looking for that to break out to the upside and push through that very, very quickly during this next session. Assuming that it doesn't move lower, it actually breaks to the upside. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.